Wing is a web application created internally by Monse's group, then modified and updated by RIT students. This app allows Monse's to manage their business as a whole, from scheduling work to be carried out on the production floor to purchasing material from external suppliers.
In the modern production world, quality and efficiency are everything. While this application can't impact quality, it heavily impacts efficiency. It is our job to modify the application to increase overall efficiency for those that have used the system before and for those that rarely use it.
Our team has been developing new features that are aimed at two audiences, beginners of the system as well as experts of the system. Wing uses a lot of data, so we have also been working to optimize queries used by the system to increase the efficiency of not only the app, but also the business.
The amateur radio community maintains a worldwide network of radio over IP nodes based on the popular open source *PBX telephony software. This network is also known as All-Star Link, with several radio nodes hosted on the RIT campus. A node is essentially a piece of hardware that is capable of receiving and transmitting radio signals. This, connected with a computer with the All-Star Link software installed, allows for it to connect to the All-Star Link network. To connect to a node, users must dial the unique number associated with that specific node using dual-tone multi-frequency, or DTMF, dialing on their radio. In certain situations, this manual dialing can be a hindrance or even unsafe, such as in the case of a driver having to manually punch in the node's unique number. Our project is to implement voice recognition dialing, so that a user is only required to press the transmit button to connect to another node, or disconnect from the current one. This includes using the actual number associated with the node, as well as a directory-style system where the user can simply say the name of the node associated with a specific number. For example, saying, connect to node RIT1. This use goes beyond normal recreational radio as well. During emergency situations such as natural disasters, amateur radio is often used as a method of communication that can be set up quickly to keep the flow of information going. Our software runs on the node computer, so in the instance of the RIT node, that would be a Raspberry Pi. And it's really simple to install or apply to other nodes, giving them the same functionality. And this allows for more flexible and easy use in any situation, whether it's recreational or an emergency situation.
The Avatars for Mobile Robots project is designed to make automatic robots appear more personable. You might be familiar with the robot dogs from 2020 or self-driving DoorDash robots, which have given rise to people treating robots as if they were pets or sentient beings. Our project would like to take this a step further and associate an avatar with the robot. Our primary focus is to help workers communicate with robots in a warehouse facility. With the increased automation of warehouse work, it is becoming more and more important that people are able to understand their robot coworkers. By using the robot operating system and hardware displays, we can allow non-technical workers to have an intuitive understanding of what the robot is intending to do and whether or not it will notice any people in its way. Our project aims to create more efficient working conditions for anyone that uses automatic machinery in the workplace.
Have you ever found yourself in a desperate state of panic because you've lost contact with your research submarine? Well, fear for your lost data no longer, because Team Platoon is on the case. Our state-of-the-art search robots will head over to its last known location and autonomously search for you. The little guys are smart and will expertly coordinate to most efficiently cover the search area. And they always bring the right tools for the job. These nifty drones will come equipped with an onboard searching algorithm that works in tandem with a state-of-the-art computer vision model. This super awesome techno magic will allow them to identify your missing sub in no time. Then we can lug that bad boy back to you and you'll be jumping for joy.